say down?
Gas is off.
Gas is off.
That's what I said. Gas is off, food is on.
Looks good, Dale.
Alright, so we're back on Quantum Dink. We had a great week in Las Perlas, and today we are gonna go provisioning.
Yeah, we borrowed someone's PriceSmart card, so we have access to this awesome, giant, wholesale produce store. And
So we can buy things in bulk. So
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
So we can start stocking up for the big crossing. So the sink on Quantum Dink's really cool. Has a saltwater foot pump, so you can wash all your dishes in salt water so you're not wasting any fresh water. And then you can give them a quick freshwater rinse afterwards, just so they're nice and clean and don't have any funny taste or rust or anything like that. So you wash dishes with only using a tiny little bit of water. It's really cool. Dale's just having a quick mani-pedi before we head off shopping for the day.
I'm trimming my nails. They're pretty gross looking right now. I don't want to go out in public like this.
That's what happens when you're constantly getting a salt scrub every day.
Don't look like a normal human being for the shopping stores.
Goodbye, Dink.
Look at the bird.
Oh wow. It's just creeping.
He's protecting the dinghy.
Oh, good luck. I'm gonna pass you the camera. Once you sit down, turn it on me. Alright.
Going to PriceSmart. We're pretty excited to go to the PriceSmart because we haven't been to a bulk store since Fort Lauderdale when we went with Nikki and Jason when we were at Costco. But this is more of a recon mission because we're not getting all of our provisions because we don't have a departure date yet for our big Pacific crossing.
Just checking out to see what a bunch of different stores have before we do make the big purchase. Compared to the rest of Panama, all the cities and towns we've been in have seemed really run down and poor. And Panama City is huge, and it's obvious that all the money in this country is going to this city. You'd have no idea that you're even in the same country.
It's also really exciting to be driving around Panama City, and we got to take a cab today thanks to Kevin, and we've never seen the city, so it's really neat to be seeing all these really tall buildings. Well, with all of the camera issues that we've been having, we're kind of hoping that maybe today will be the day that we find a new camera at PriceSmart, but we aren't really sure yet.
Look at all our stuff.
We got a new drive. We've been told that it is totally okay to have an open beer in the back seat of a car in Panama. In fact, it's encouraged.
There were 2 cameras at PriceSmart that we did like, but they're a little bit out of our price range.
Looks like we'll just be sticking with the GoPro 4 for now. Okay, so we just got back to the dinghy dock. We can't really get our dinghy out. As you can see, the tide is low. We're stuck. But it's very interesting over here because these guys are pulling something out of the water. So we're just gonna wait and see what kind of treasures are coming. So we don't know what they're pulling up, but there's a diver in and he's got a knife. And it must be heavy because they've got a big chain. Oh, he threw the knife, he threw the knife. Oh, what is it? It looks big. Is it a dinghy? Oh, something broke. Oh no, that's the Seagulls dinghy, right? I don't know, something's happening. He's taking the knife back. Da-na-na-na. Oh no, are they giving up?
Good luck, guys.
Down. Okay. More ain't bad.
They have long leashes, so might be all right.
3 out of 4. Thank you. We'll come back for you.
Leave me with the bear.
I'll take care of it.
Wanna pass us some stuff and then we can head back to the boat.
Okay, here. You can start with the trash. Can of hongos.
Precious cargo first, though.
Need a terror drive? Okay, good night.
Okay, so we just escaped the dinghy dock and it looks like they were retrieving a pretty big boat. Crap-a-doodles.
Sorry, buddy.
Justin just caught a bird. Oh my god, what do we do?
It's only just by his beak, so he'll survive, which is good. Just get him off it. You want pliers or you're alright? Oh. How do you turn this thing off?
Oh, it's on. The camera's on the thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I have it recording from there.
You're free.
Great.
You want to keep him as a pet?
No.
Really?
Bye.
Oh, there's so many birds now.
There's that fish too.
And maybe we won't fish for a little while.
Yeah.
Well, at least you can say you caught something, Justin.
Yeah.
Jonathan Livingston Seagull.
Styrofoam test number 1. We are aware of our audio issues with all the wind noise, so I've been experimenting with different things with makeup foam pads and styrofoam to see if anything will work to fix the issues, but no luck yet.
Since Justin's attempt at making a microphone has failed, we are gonna head to the mall and hopefully we can find a microphone there.
Apparently, no store in Albrook Mall sells a microphone for any type of camera. What are you doing in here, Dale?
Well, we haven't used a proper washing machine since we were on Curiosity for the past however many months. We've been washing our clothes by hand at the marina dock, but now we don't have a water maker on board and we're staying at Anchor, so we are going into town today and laundry is only $1.50. But we're kind of trying to make it into 2 loads, so I'm sorting it into all of our clothes that have stretched out so bad, which need to go in the dryer, and all of our clothes that are not stretched out and we can hang dry when we get back.
Well, it's a lot of clothes. Hopefully the 3 machines can fit it all.
Yeah, I'm hoping that it'll be 1 load each, but we'll see what happens when we get there. So the importance of choosing the right font when doing your marketing can lead to damn the light of the world rather than I am the light of the world.
Someone stole the manhole cover, so they just threw a bunch of tree limbs over it so no one falls in. Ooh, looks really good, Dale. What are you hiding over here? Oh my goodness.
A sandwich, a massive
Gourmet
breakfast sandwich. Fingers are free.
Delicious.
So I've had a piece of meat stuck in the back of my tooth for like 5 days now and it's killing me. So Justin has made a little contraption with a paper clip and he's gonna try and get it out for me.
So I've made this little zip tie into one big hook and one little hook. And it should be small enough to get in there to pull out whatever's bugging Dale. Okay. Check. Light check.
Right here.
Yeah.
You can't see it anymore?
I can't see it. Still sterile, I swear. Yeah. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know. No?
Can you see it? Like still see it?
Yeah, a bit. Let me see.
What do you mean a bit?
Yes, I can see.
Can you still see it or what are you doing?
I'm trying to pull it out.
It's just taking you a really long time and it really hurts.
Okay.
Can you like give me an update of
I
what's
almost
happening?
had it, and then it got pushed in again. I keep pulling it out, and then when I readjust to take it out the rest of the way, I push it in back. So then
Cool.
it's up in about 6 times.
Will you stop doing that because it's really agitated?
Well, now I can't find it to pull it up, so I'm looking for it.
You've lost it in my gums?
Just coming out.
Are you
Just
serious?
open up.
You're fired.
Just open your jaw. No luck on round 2. Bum, 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 bum. Round 3.
Can you still see it?
Yes. And now I know how to find it.
Oh my god.
I think you need to. Where's the pillow? Tilt back slightly further. Okay. Oh, I got it.
Uh-huh.
Actually,
Where at?
here, wait.
Show me. Oh my god, that was in
Got
my
it.
gums?
Yep.
Ew, it's so big.
Look at that.
You might need to put your hand behind it. Ah!
No. There it is.
Oh, a sweet relief.
The cause of her anguish.
Oh, nasty. Okay, so upon further inspection, it was not meat, it was actually a full-sized peppercorn.
Oh. So now your tooth's all clear, you're hungry for food? Maybe it was a tomato seed, not a popcorn. I don't know. No, I think it was a
peppercorn?
peppercorn, yeah.
It could have been a tomato seed.
Maybe I should eat them all then, just to be safe.
Hey, no.
Thank you for watching. You are all so amazing for supporting us and making these videos and continuing the adventure. You can become a patron to help out even more at patreon.com/DJsDives.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. We have a new video every Sunday morning.
See you next week.